Swimming in pool, you feel it just boring. Fishing alone, so you just stare at the fishing pole. Diving with old friends, they carry camera, spear gun, float line, and you ask what we do today. He's like, same old shit, man. So, you start to imagine, is there any way to make these activities any more interesting? Maybe you just need something with more technology, small and light, and helps you view the world like a fish. Introducing Beaky, the world's very first bionic underwater drone, driven by a 4K UHD camera, bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate Beaky via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. Beaky will automatically balance itself. Go fishing with Beaky. Put it into the water. With the bionic design, it won't spook any marine life. Record your fishing experience with Beaky's 4K Ultra HD camera. Also, the Beaky's cute design might help you make some new friends. Swimming in the pool is boring. How about some underwater Quidditch? With the built-in obstacle avoidance system, Beaky can dodge automatically before hitting any obstructions. Use Beaky to play with your kids. They're gonna love it. And the caudal fin is 100% safe. You can also set up a route to free your hands. And you can watch your kids anytime. Want to give your loved one a surprise? Beaky can help with that too. Oh, and at any time if Beaky is low on power or losing signal, it will come back to the surface. The GPS positioning system will lead it back to the launch spot. Get into the water with Beaky. The waterproof controller can help you control Beaky while underwater. Explore the places you can access. Take underwater selfies with your friends. Or just simply have fun.
Please welcome Doduo, the ultimate Bluetooth speaker. Classy, versatile, durable. For 9 years, the team at K&Z Technology have developed and manufactured OEM speakers for world-famous brands. Now, they're finally coming out with their own, and it does everything you've ever wanted in a pair of portable speakers. Throw on the carrying case, and you have a super durable, portable device. It's water resistant and can take a beating. But that's not the best part. Doduo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. The magnetic base connects the two speakers together and allows you to easily attach them to any magnetic surface, making them extremely versatile. When unlinked, each half can play as a standalone speaker. When linked, the two speakers will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Big bass, sweet highs. You won't lose sound fidelity with these babies. You can play them wireless or use the hidden jack for a quick hookup. Clean, sleek, modern. These are the wireless speakers you've been waiting for. Doduo, premium sound.
That we believe is the next step in the evolution of smartphone filmmaking. Introducing all new Beast Grip Depth of Field Adapter MK2 and Pro Series anamorphic lens.
Using lenses or depth of field adapters with your smartphone give you an entirely new look by changing the focal length, perspective, and overall emotion of your shot, so you can focus the viewer's attention on what's most important. Our Pro Series anamorphic lens gives you a widescreen aspect ratio and more dramatic perspective without the need to crop your footage, so you can get a cinematic, widescreen look with the highest possible resolution and and creative lens flares like you're used to seeing in Hollywood-style films. It's an amazing lens that really adds a lot of character to your videos. And the most exciting features come with the DOF adapter MK2. With this adapter, you can add SLR or DSLR lenses to your smartphone to open up a whole new world of possibilities to express your creativity via mobile filmmaking. It adds a beautiful, shallow depth of field, bokeh, and allows you to manually pull focus so you can capture unique photos and videos with an artistic film-style look. It's impossible to do with your phone on its own. We also created a rail support for attaching additional accessories like a follow focus so you can have a complete filmmaking system with the same features found on professional camera rigs. By combining the latest smartphone camera technologies with a depth of field adapter and an SLR lens, you get a completely new and unique content creation experience that's truly amazing.
Since we released our original depth of field adapter, we've been listening to feedback from our customers, leading us to set two main design goals for the new MK2 version. We had to make it a more reliable product with a user-friendly experience and improve the image quality. With new optics, we practically eliminated distortion and vignetting, also dramatically reduced chromatic aberration, so a much wider variety of full-frame SLR lenses can be used for even more creative possibilities. We also enclosed the sensitive focusing screen, so it's fully protected for a maintenance-free user experience. For a fast and easy setup, we incorporated a new patent-pending mechanism that not only allows the user to quickly align the focusing screen, but also set the bayonet mount in the correct orientation, so the SLR lens is aligned properly. Lastly, all of the components of the adapter are made with the same custom machined aluminum with an anodized finish that we use on our Pro Series lenses. As a result, we have products that work and feel amazing and have a beautiful finish.
My favorite part of exercising is probably the hot shower afterward. My least favorite thing is the bag of sweaty clothes I have to carry around. It's probably not an issue if you're headed straight home, but what if you wanted to do a little jogging before work? That gym bag is just going to sit at your desk, your clothes marinating in sweat and all the bacteria that comes with it. But what if you could clean your clothes on the go? In fact, what if you didn't have to do the cleaning at all because your bag did it automatically? That's the idea behind Paxil, a new self-cleaning gym tote that zaps the germs right out of your clothes. No water or detergent needed. At first glance, the Paxil looks like a pretty normal gym bag, studded with plenty of pockets and straps to carry all of your stuff. There's a pocket for your shoes, a laptop compartment, and even a small stash for your cell phone. But it's the center compartment where all the magic happens. The bag is equipped with what the company calls the PacTech system, killing bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that may be lurking inside. The bag's interior atmosphere is similar to the air after a gentle rain, which is loaded with plenty of O3. That's certainly the impression I got after letting the Paxil work on a pair of very dirty jeans of mine. New York City subways can be rough on your clothes, and I haven't had a chance to do laundry lately. The entire thing is controlled with an app, where you select the length of the cleaning cycle. You can also have it automatically start at a certain time, which is good if you go to the gym every day. If you go at different times, well, they haven't quite added geolocation to the Paxil yet, though future iterations may even let you track the tote's whereabouts. You simply zip it up and push the button to start the cycle, and the bag will bombard the contents with short wavelength ultraviolet light and activated oxygen, which are both effective at killing bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The Paxil should get over 99% of microorganisms. Of course, all you'll notice after opening it up is the fresh scent. However, it can't get rid of stains, so you still have to wash those clothes eventually. Still, this could be a real life changer for people, and not just the lazy ones like me. It's great for cleaning up sports gear, medical braces and bandages, and other things you can't just pop into a washing machine. It's even food safe, which might be good for fruit even if it is a little weird.